All right, guys, we have a little friend here who's storming outside. He's so afraid. So he's going to be with me saying this video. This is part 2 about what's happening now with Kilmar Abrego Garcia and why it affects all of us. And if you want to see part 1, make sure to go to our video gallery. Honey, it's going to be okay. A few days ago, I shared the story of Kilmar Abrego Garcia, a Maryland resident who was legally living in the U.S. and had protection from being deported. But despite this, honey, it's okay. The government mistakenly deported him to El Salvador, and he is now locked up in one of the country's most dangerous prison. It's gonna be okay, honey. It's gonna be okay. Even though he shouldn't be there, okay? But I want to give you an update of what's going on with his case, and you may want to know what's going on now with his current situation, and I'm going to break it down for you. It's going to be okay, honey. It's going to be okay. So a federal judge recently told the U.S. government they needed to bring him back, calling the deportation shocking and completely unlawful. You think? So the judge gave a deadline of April 7 for his return. And guess what? The administration didn't return him back. I'm going to break it down and tell you what happened. But just before the deadline, the U.S. Supreme Court, specifically Chief Justice John Roberts, passed the order giving the government more time to argue why they shouldn't have to bring him back. The Trump administration admitted that this was a mistake. Okay, so they're not denying that it's a mistake, but that they are now trying to say that U.S. courts can't force them to fix it because he's no longer here. So they're admitting to the mistakes, but they don't want to take responsibility nor action to bring this man back. So why does this matter for all of us, citizens and immigrants? So listen up. Don't think this is an isolated issue for immigrant people. So this isn't just about one man. If the government can ignore a court order and deport someone who legally has the right to stay, then what's to stop them from doing it to anyone else? Ask yourself that question. Mistakes happen. They happen all the time. But refusing to fix them is where the real danger lies. So they're cleaning their hands. They're like, what's done is done. So if the courts don't hold the government accountable in this case, then it sends a scary message that due process and legal protection can be ignored whenever it's convenient, okay? Especially for the government. So that is something to think about. And that's why we have to make our voices be heard. This is about basic fairness, human rights, and making sure no one, immigrants or U.S. citizen, is treated like they don't matter because they can get away. If they can get away with this, then I ask you, who is next? It could be you. It could be me. God forbid. Oh, God protect me and everybody around me, and make sure it protects you, because these are some scary times. So you tell me what you think. Put your comments below. Like I always say, stay connected, stay informed, and follow for more. This right here is Little Puff. His sister is Coco. So I have Coco and Puff. And he's so scared because it's storming outside. Say hi, honey. Say hi. My baby, say hello, Bunny. Say hello. All right, guys. Till next time. Make sure to follow for more. I'll come back with Puff some other time.